Hey, what's up everybody? This is Kaching Song, Fusion 360 Community Manager, and I'm sitting here in our old Fusion teaming room in the Portland, Oregon office. Now, I've surrounded myself with a bunch of Fusion swag and products that have been created over the years, because today's a very special day. Today, we are celebrating our 10-year anniversary. That's right, that's 10 years of Fusion, 10 years of growing with you, and 10 years of community building. As I look back at the 10 years that I've been on this team, it's just so amazing to see the amount of diversity represented in our community, the amount of amazing products that have come out of you guys, and just the sheer amount of content that's available today. Speaking of content, our content creators out there, thank you so much. We really appreciate what you do. We appreciate the stories you tell, the tutorials you make, and just how much you've inspired people to do what they want to do with Fusion. So this video is really an ode to you and to say thank you. And we've invited a number of you to participate and join in on this video. So without further ado, I'm gonna pass it over to John.
My name is John Saunders. I run the YouTube channel NYCCNC as well as Saunders Machine Works. Happy birthday to Fusion 360. What I love about Fusion 360 is that it's grown with us. 10 years ago, I was a one-man manufacturing entrepreneur, aspiring machinist in a small basement shop with a Tormach mill. And Fusion 360 has grown with us now as we run everything from Haas and Okuma vertical machining centers, hi MoMA, to Okuma horizontals, to dual spindle Y-axis lathes, all the way up to and including a Wilhelm & Macadel B-axis mill turn machine. Fusion 360 gives us the platform internally to create the CAD and the CAM and the simulation we need to run these machines, as well as the post-processors. But even better, the thing I love about it is the greater community around Fusion. When we're trying to create content online to share for resources, for YouTube videos, or even for our training classes, Fusion has that user base where folks are interested and willing to learn. When we're hiring new folks and new interns and bringing them on board, they've been using Fusion in their high schools, their schools, their maker spaces. And I love how much emphasis Autodesk has put into building this community. It's a wonderful online community, but even better has been the chance to get to meet folks at events ranging from EMO and IMTS to Autodesk University to the DSI Fusion Summits.
Hey, it's Justin. I'm for Portland CNC, and I just wanted to wish Fusion 360 a happy birthday. It's been a huge part of how we've made our business into what it is today. I found it in 2015, so only a couple of years before your origination, and it's been a pretty major aspect of how we've run our machines as well as designed our products. So,
hi, I'm Spencer Nugent, all-around creative and industrial designer living in Salt Lake City, Utah. And within the last 10 years, Autodesk Fusion 360 has helped me make products that make people smile, like these little guys here, using the awesome tools in the app as well as the CAD CAM workflow. My favorite thing about Autodesk Fusion 360 is the unique blend of precision and freeform control that things like the form modeling tool offers you, as well as the parametric timeline in the app. For me, one of the great experiences I've had with the Fusion 360 community and by extension team is really just how helpful and responsive everyone is. I love knowing that the app is consistently being worked on and that there are people to help. I've even had representatives work with me on a one-on-one basis to help me level up in my CAD CAM workflow work that I do here in my home studio and my garage.
Hi, Agustin Arroyo here, also known as Flowalistik, content creator and educator. I want to wish you, Fusion 360, a happy birthday, and I also want to thank the Fusion 360 team for creating such an incredible tool. I've been using Fusion 360 for the last 8 years, and my favorite thing about it is how accessible it is. Over the last years, I've been teaching 3D printing and Fusion 360 together to over 30,000 students, and in my opinion, no matter what your background is, with Fusion 360 you can easily transform your idea into a 3D model. And I also want to thank all the innovators, designers, engineers that over the last decade have been sharing content on your projects. It's because of you that the Fusion 360 community is so incredible. So, as I said before, Fusion 360, happy birthday!
Hey Fusion, Happy birthday, Michael DiTullo here, independent designer and creative director. And I want to thank you for everything that you do. I've been a Fusion user for going on 8 years now. And what I love about Fusion is the flexibility and versatility. Everybody always talks about that. But something else that people don't often talk about is just the ability to collaborate. I work with a lot of different clients who are in different locations, different designers, engineers, collaborators of all kinds. So the ability to kind of easily share files in the cloud and to work on files together is so important to me in the way that I work. So thank you for everything that you do, and I'm looking forward to many more years using Fusion.
I'm Alex Lobos. I'm Director of School of Design at Rochester Institute of Technology. We've been very lucky to have been collaborating with Fusion 360 since the very beginning. In fact, our students started working with the software about 2 years before it was released to the market. In the last 10 years, Fusion 360 has helped us out to redefine the way we learn and use CAD. Its broad functionality and user-friendly structure has helped us to focus more on our designs rather than struggling with making the software work. It has also streamlined the way that we develop and fabricate products. Out of everything that Fusion 360 has to offer, my favorite thing has to be their free-form T-splines environment. There is something very cool and intuitive about being able to model in real time, feeling like you're sculpting rather than just modeling. So, happy birthday, Fusion 360, and here's to a lot more adventures together.
Hi, I am Emanuele Ciccone, and I am the founder of the Facebook group Autodesk Fusion 360 Italia. Fusion 360 is very easy to learn and super powerful. You can make really anything, just the imagination is the limit. The feature that I love most about Fusion 360 are exporting to AR, generative design, and that I can use it across any kind of device. PC, Mac, and now I like it more because are native for Silicon Mac.
Ik ben Emiel, de Practical Engineer, en op mijn kanaal bouw ik allemaal toffe projecten en laat ik jou zien hoe je zelf hele gave dingen kan gaan maken. Zo heb ik bijvoorbeeld een Nerf gun gemaakt van steroids, een enorme badeend en op het moment ben ik bezig met deze lopende hand. En sinds ik mijn kanaal begonnen ben een paar jaar geleden gebruik ik Fusion voor al mijn ontwerpen. Zoals je ziet, mijn ontwerpen zijn af en toe best wel complex. En in Fusion kan ik heel makkelijk een ontwerp maken, kijken of alle onderdelen gaan passen. Ik kan animaties doen om te kijken of het ook daadwerkelijk beweegt zoals het zou moeten bewegen. En in Fusion kan ik ook gelijk de programma schrijven, zodat ik dingen kan gaan frezen op mijn CNC-frees. Dat vind ik ook heel erg fijn. Het werkt makkelijk, het werkt snel, voor mij de ideale tool. In die 6 jaar dat ik Fusion gebruik is het echt enorm gegroeid. Het was een goede, maar nog niet super uitgebreide software en inmiddels zijn er elke maand komen er weer nieuwe functies bij en is het gewoon uitgegroeid tot een volwaardig 3D tekenpakket. En Fusion is vandaag 10 jaar. Gefeliciteerd!
Ciao a tutti, io sono Andrea Prazzini, responsabile di Help 3D, il canale YouTube, e vorrei ringraziare tantissimo Fusion 360 perché mi ha accompagnato da quando ho iniziato il mio percorso nella stampa 3D. Compie 10 anni, in realtà ho iniziato leggermente prima, ma nella modellazione 3D, quella vera, praticamente ho iniziato con lui. E con me hanno iniziato anche tanti altri, visto i corsi che ho potuto pubblicare su internet e il supporto che mi è stato dato da Fusion 360. È un programma spettacolare, completissimo, non è solo un CAD e la cosa che mi ha fatto innamorare più di tutti è la gestione cloud. Ad oggi nel 2023 il poter lavorare da un computer o da un altro senza dover avere 1000 file in giro per me è stato veramente qualcosa di fenomenale. E ricordiamoci che non è solo un CAD ma è un CAM, è un simulatore, fa rendering, fa di tutto e di più.
What's up guys, Dr. Phil here, and wow, what a journey we have been on. 10 years of Fusion, and I am just lucky I could say I was there for at least 8 of those. When we started MJK way back when, we had the shoestringiest of budgets, and we spent all of that on our first machine. And if it wasn't for Fusion and their startup license and their basic 5-axis capabilities at the time, our dream would have died right there. We would have spent all our money on this expensive machine and we wouldn't be able to afford to run it. And that's what I think so amazing about Fusion is they encourage makers and dreamers like us to go out and achieve what we want. I think that's just absolutely incredible. And it's not just the tool that they've built that's so powerful. It's the community that they've created. Like going to these Fusion events, and I wouldn't even call them Fusion events. They're like family reunions at this point. I have made some of my closest friends there. I've met some of the most amazing industry people that when I have questions, I can just text them or call them now. I've built lifelong lasting relationships. And because of Fusion, I'm in a position today where I get to teach others how to use it. And I can sit back and watch them achieve their dreams. And I don't think there's any greater feeling than watch someone achieve their goals. It's absolutely incredible.
Hi, my name is Lars Christensen. It's been 8 years since I uploaded my first Fusion 360 video to YouTube. A lot have happened. Hundreds of videos, live streams, but my biggest takeaway has been this amazing community of all of you. I have learned so much from Facebook, from the forums, from other YouTube channels, and I'm so excited that we now get to celebrate 10 years of Fusion 360. So happy we get to celebrate it with this wonderful community, with everybody out there, and I hope that you're doing well. Happy birthday, Fusion. Talk to you all soon. Take care.
Hey everyone, it's Kevin Schneider. I've been with the Fusion project from the very start. So to wish Fusion a happy 10th birthday is an amazing accomplishment. To see everything you've made, the products you've shipped, the things you've designed and engineered, it's been incredibly rewarding. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you for everything you've done. Thank you for being our customers. And happy birthday, Fusion.
Hey all, Kurt Chen here from the Autodesk Education team, and happy birthday, Fusion. Thank you to the community out there who has inspired us at Autodesk, sending us all the wonderful things you actually have machined with Fusion 360. Secondly, thank you to this community for creating a movement out there around Fusion 360 on social media. It's amazing all the wonderful things you have contributed to things that we did like the Fusion and Autodesk Cam Challenges. Third, it's amazing to see what people can do from design to manufacturing, but we've actually seen customers create masterful artwork out there. Actually, I've had a customer create a wonderful piece of art that should be in a museum right now. But most importantly, thank you to all those people out there who have contributed back to their own communities, specifically in education. We know who you are. Thank you for going and evangelizing in colleges and helping inspire the next educators, engineers, and machinists of tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Ashwarya. I lead the marketing team for Fusion, and I want to take this moment to thank our amazing users in the community. I've had the privilege to be a part of Fusion for the last decade, and I've seen our community grow, thrive, and really push us here at Autodesk to do more for you. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey. Here's to the next 10 years and beyond.
Hi, I'm Alex Willingham, Senior Director of Fusion Sales. I wanted to take a minute today and thank you all for your business and support over the past 10 years. The Fusion community is so special. I love how passionate the whole community is about the future of design and make. I get the pleasure of speaking to our customers all the time. And the thing that I hear most often is that anytime they have questions about Fusion, how to do something, how to solve a problem, they ask the community and they get answers in minutes. So thank you all for creating such a welcoming, supportive community. And here's to another amazing 10 years with Fusion.
Hello, Fusion 360 community. Congratulations for reaching the 10-year milestone. I wanted to express my sincere thanks for being an incredible source of support, inspiration, and knowledge. Your collaborative spirit and shared enthusiasm have transformed Fusion 360 into not more than just software. It's a dynamic community. Your generosity in sharing insights, troubleshooting tips, and breakthrough has been invaluable. The connections formed here transcend borders, create a thriving environment for learning and innovation. I'm truly grateful for the countless hours you invested in making this community vibrant. Your dedication fuels continued growth and fosters a culture of creativity. Thank you for being an integral part of Fusion 360 journey.
Hi everyone, and happy birthday, Fusion 360. My name is Vic Vedantam, and I manage business strategy for Fusion 360. I want to use this time to say a big thank you to all of you for having been with us throughout these years. You've been passionate users and advocates of the technology, you've supported each other, and have also provided us critical feedback so that we can make the product what you want it to be. So once again, thank you for all the support that you provide. I can't wait to see what we're going to make off of this journey over the next few years.
Hi, this is Agata Kura. I'm working as a product owner directly with development teams focused on generative design and simulation aspects, and recently also on creating more personalized experience for Fusion 360 users. And I'd like to thank you for sharing feedback with us. This really helps us create better products. So we love to hear your feedback. We also love to hear your stories and see products you create with the tools we are building. So thank you for sharing those.
Hey folks, this is Srinath. I lead industry strategy for manufacturing at Autodesk. This includes go-to-market aspects for Fusion. I'm so thrilled to be joining you in the celebration of Fusion's 10-year anniversary. How quickly time flies by. I'm looking forward to celebrating Fusion's teenage years. I'm sure they'll be as fun or even more fun than the last 10 years. You are the reason why we continue to invest in Fusion. You push us with your passion, with your commitment, with your energy to continue driving Fusion to greater heights. It's been fun watching all the great work that you do with Fusion. And it's also been fun watching you share your passion, your enthusiasm in the forums, on YouTube videos. It's been such an amazing 10 years. I'm looking forward to celebrating many, many more exciting milestones for Fusion along with all of you. Thank you.
Hey, Fusion community. I'm Brian Rapp, and I manage the Fusion community team here at Autodesk. What I love about Fusion is that it's so much more than just a piece of software. It's an incredibly passionate network of people. You share similar aspirations to, conceptualize, design, test, make things. But even better, it's that you want to help each other on that journey. So, no matter the level of, expertise or technical background, geography, language, you form this global community that supports one another. I also really love your willingness to engage with us and our development teams over the years to help make the software what it is, especially in the areas where we need to do better. So you've built the product that we have today, and you've also helped shape the many exciting things we've got to come. Finally, on a personal note, you inspire me. I start each day looking through the forums and going through social and getting a sense of what you're doing with Fusion, and it really energizes me. So thank you. Thank you for the last 10 years and looking forward to the next 10.
So again, happy birthday, Fusion 360. What do you think, buddy? Moma, what do you think? What do you think? William and Jane, you want to say happy birthday to Fusion 360?
Happy birthday, Fusion 360. Happy birthday, Fusion 360.
Moma, can you say happy birthday? Moma, sit. Moma, sit. Moma, what do you think? Honey, what do you think? What do you think?
Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday.
Quindi davvero grazie Fusion 360 e happy birthday Fusion 360, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Fusion 360.
Thank you for everything that you do, and I'm looking forward to many more years using Fusion.
Happy birthday, Fusion 360. Buon compleanno, Fusion 360. Greetings from Italy.
Happy birthday, Fusion 360.
And happy birthday, Fusion.
Happy birthday, Fusion 360, and thanks to all of you for having been with us.
Nothing better to say than happy birthday!